in API folder, code space dot enter. Code space dot enter. Now share the folder. If anyone needs, they can use this. In folder, we have implemented something. If your last class was missed out, then you need to have this folder with you. So folder I sent you in the chat. Take the folder. CMD is open VS Code, and we can go to our file. Which one was our last file? Remember? Index file I have implemented, and I have asked you to do remaining other pages, contact service and all. About and home we have done. Remaining pages, you are supposed to do that, right? And I hope you have copy paste same day. Created. Page have some better look and feel. Okay. Because we will be moving now to the API folder only, but our page will be dynamic. Okay. This data, whatever is coming, these all are static data. It should become dynamic now. Okay. It has to come from some other server. We have to do some kind of processing part, and then we should generate some other output. Okay. And then it should come in the browser. So folder is shared in the chat. Hope you can take it and get ready. Create next file index2.html. Index2. Index2.html. Index2.html. In index2.html file, you will take the copy of index. 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 Okay, done. Then after this, we will not call any function in another separate file, a script open and close. We'll write all JavaScript code in the same file today. Get home, you remove from here. On click and all, we will be calling some other functions. You will write here call what is comment list. Write here call user list. Write here call post list. Post list. Write one call blog list. Write one more call new blog. Right. Modify once. Okay, so hope index 2 file is ready, and it is something like this. Let's run the index2 file. Okay, comment list, user list, post list, blog list, as well as new blog. Okay. Now, next, what we need to understand is comment list. So, question is where this comment list will come. Okay. Then is called as a user list, where it will come, right? We will be getting this data from internet. So let's write here a function call onClick equal to call a function call get comment. Get comment, and go under the script, write the function call get comment. Under the get comment function, alert it and test once alert is coming or not. Alert it and test once alert is coming or. Hope we are getting the alert. Comment list, it says call. Okay. So comment is giving the alert, that meaning function on click it's calling. Now from here we require to send a request to the server so that server will give us the data and that data will do something. Write a function called fetch. Under the fetch function we will do something. We'll keep a URL. Right below call then then inside you will write call response. Then this response again you have to convert into JSON object. Response.json. After that again then comment array will come here now. In previous example, if you remember, instead of JSON, you have written called text function. Yes. Text function, because your home file was returning the data in the text format. But now the URL what we are going to call, it will give us the data in the form of JSON. Okay. So in that case, we have to use not text function, we have to use the JSON function, so that it will convert from JSON to array object. Write it, alert it, comment array dot length. Alert it, the comment array dot length. Now let us get the URL that we need to pass to this fetch function. So for that, you need to have internet now. You can enable internet and then Come to the browser, I'll guide which URL we need to call. Connect your system with the internet. Okay, come to the internet, write the URL call JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder, just type in the Google JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder. Type in the URL called JSON placeholder. JSON placeholder. This website will open. JSON placeholder tpico.com something. Click on that. This website will get open. We can scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. And after that, in this complete URL, you will get here called resources. In resources, you have post 100, comments 500, album 100, photos 5000, photos 200, and the users 10. So we will take these comments. Okay, it says total 500 comments. Click on this link. Click on comment link. Click on comment link. This URL will open. See, in this URL, you have lot many data. See here, array object, first comment, second comment, third comment, like this, total 500 comments are there. In that, what are the properties are there? Post ID, name, email, and body. Okay, so we are going to display the name, email, as well as body, all three. We have to read from here and display inside our page according to our wish. So next you copy this URL, copy the URL and come to the page function. Copy the URL and paste it. Instead, save the file, run your page, and click on comment list. Okay, let's done now. Go to the browser and check once. Click on comment list. How much is showing? 500. So all the data came into the array, comment array. All the data, whichever the data was there, all the data came in comment array. Come next. We have to read the data and display inside the page. So to read the data, we have to create a map or for loop or for each anything. First, create a variable in the beginning, call my data. Empty, just declare the variable in the beginning. Coming down now, you will write here for each. For each, E will be capital or map function we will use. Let's write the map function. Comment array dot map. Comment comma index. Comment comma index. Comment comma index. Let's go inside now. My data equal to my data plus open a p tag, right call comment dot body. The data is coming from the backend, that is under the comment array. From comment array individual you are sending to comment. So under the comment you will have complete the details of one comment. ID, post ID, like email, name and body, everything. So we are writing comment dot body. Close the p tag. At last, you will be writing here document dot get element by ID container which container dot inner HTML my data variable. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Click on comment list. So many are printing. 500 records are printing. Just a single click. Click 500 records will be ready. Printing all the data. Now in one line, how many paragraph? One paragraph, right? All paragraphs are printing in one line. No, we can write some CSS for that. Go here and write here class equal to anything. Comment is also fine. Class equal to comment. Class equal to comment. Now come to the CSS file, style.css file. Anyone error? Oh, no, data is coming. Internet. Check once. Internet should be there. Fetch then response.json. After that, comment array.map, comment index, my data plus paragraph open close, comment.body. Then where you have created that variable, my comment, my data. Okay, container is there. Okay, run the page now. On click you not call here, right? On li, on click you have to call the get comment. Here. On click equal to right inside double quote. Inside double quote we need to write hello. Hello. Already booked sir yesterday. Yeah. No sir. Save it. HTTPS you have used. HTTPS is okay. JSON placeholder.com/comments. Okay, now okay. Run the page once. Click on. Go to the console. It's coming. It's coming. Alert you have removed now. Alert is removed, then it will not go. Function I will share in the chat for get comment function. Okay, get comment. Now we need to write the CSS call as a comment. Okay, so in style dot CSS file, you can write here comment width. First keep margin 1%, padding also 1%, width 20%, display inline block. Height is auto. We have not written any height. Padding we have written and display inline we have written. Comment. So it should display you total 4 comments in one line. Vertical align top you have to write. Vertical align top as well as border height and bottom 2 pixel dotted red color. Write it. Okay. Now on load we can call the same function. On load also we can call the same function. But you can see it's being little not adjustable. Little up down is happening. Okay, let it be. So text align again. Text hyphen align. Justify. It will not come less more from left and right. It will cover complete. So you can see now content is fitting properly. Is covering the left line, right side, plus it's not looking like something. Next, after this, there should be one heading on the top called comment list. So that you can do from the here, from your function. My data equal to, you can write h1, and there we can write comment list h1. It may come very big. Check now, h1 should come big font size, comment list, and below comments will be there. Okay, go next now. One function is working. Now we have one more call, user list. So we can write one more function here, get user. Okay, write this get user here, call and check once. Check now, second function is coming alert. Go here next. Write again a variable user data equal to h1 user list, close that. Now come there, write a fetch function. Inside the URL will be same. Instead of comments, it will be users. Instead of comments, it will be users. Users. comments change to users. Okay, next after this dot then again response. After that the response dot JSON. Data is coming from the backend in the form of JSON. JSON function into apply to convert into JSON object. User array right here. User array dot then user array dot length. How many length? 10 or more than that. User click should say the total 10. See this URL. In the last comments were there. Now comments you replace with the users. USERS users. All URL is same. Only last comments got replaced by users. Comments got replaced by users. Okay. Now let's write next again. We have to write the loop. Open this URL. You will come to know what are the values are inside. We can open this URL. Copy this. Go to the browser. And open this URL directly. You can see many are there inside, right? Name, username, email, address, phone number, website, company. But even this is the inner label array also. Object inside object it is. So we have to print name, email, address. Under the address, we have a street, city, pin code and all. Those will get printed. Phone number will print, website will print, and then company have the name and remaining things we need to print. Yeah, let's come to the code. Now let's go here again and write call user array dot map. User comma again index. Okay, so we have to collect multiple information. Next, after that, write their call data, not data, user data. User data equal to user data plus open a division tag and close this division tag below. Division tag open and division tag close below. So it is going to create multiple division. For every user, it will create one division. 10 users are there, so it will generate 10 divisions. 2% got message same time from you also got the message info campus message. No, one person message me. He got job in 2017. He got for the interview in other company. In 2017, he went for a company. He went for an interview in 2017. Then the person who took interview, that was our person only. He messaged, sir, my interview is taken by info campus student. He studied in 2017 batch. Congratulations, he got job there. Again, he went to change the job this year, today. Another person took the interview. Then he messaged again, hello sir, today I attended an interview. Interview is one of your student. He is studying. His name is Vinod Singh. March 2001 batch. So first interview we attended. That was luckily our people only. He worked there soon. Okay. When this message has come, this message was in first message was in Okay, 9 February 2022. Got job in which company? Buffer Zero Solution. Now he went to other company. There also he found our person only. But the status he should reply, no, he has selected or not. Okay. So you started the division. Now let's come inside the division. Write class equal to that define the luck. Okay. If our people will take the interview somewhere, he will support. Okay. Class equal to user. Write class equal to user and then come inside, write again user data equal to user data plus h3 you write here, and under the h3 you write call user dot name. h3 we can close. Now come after the loop, after the map function. Then after that, you can write again document.getElements by ID, right? Container instead of now my data, it will get replaced by the user data. So it is going to create n number of division as the number of elements found inside the array. Inside array, suppose there is a 10 elements. Inside array, suppose there is a 10 elements. It will create total 10 division, and all the 10 division will store under the, oh, I have made a mistake here. The middle line should not be user array, it should be user data. It should be user data, because you are pushing the all the content inside the user data. You are taking from the user array, you are giving to user, from user individual user details you are taking and giving to the user data as a HTML. Write it. Check now, name of the user is printing. So 10 users, 10 user names should print. See, this data you are reading from some other server. We have to create our own server also. Write it properly. Let some idea, get some idea. Then we will create our own server also. See, look like this. We have to write some CSS for the class so that in one line, 3 user will come. 3 user will come in one line, and then we can make it more better. For 3 users will be in one line, block wise it will come, first block, second block, third block. No any reply in the chat, anyone? If that page is running. Okay, well then now let's write the CSS for user. We'll write the CSS for class called user. Come to the style.css file, a class called user. What we'll do inside, we'll write margin 2%, padding also 2%, then width 25.33%, 25, let's give 24%. Then width is okay, border 1 pixel, dotted red color, margin, padding, width, then border, then float you can use here. Text align left, text align left. Text align left. Let us check now. See, all are coming. 3 are coming in one line. Dot 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 borders is also coming. Padding look like more. Padding you make 1%. Then 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 6. 25% we can give the width. So repeat now also. Hitting 3 elements in one line. You want to change the background or how is it? Background color. Okay, hold on. Let me utilize complete full width and then remove the border. Instead of border, we can give background color, some kind of color. Float left, text align left. Width will be how much? 2 and 1, 3. Margin 2%, 1 padding 3%, 3%, 6%. So 33.33 minus 6. How much? 27.33. 0.33% is a width, and even the color should be white. Color should be white color. The text color will be white color, and background will be cornflower blue. Cornflower blue. Some other color will be there. Background. Not coming. It's coming now. What is the URL you wrote? Yes, the first round is selected, second round is there. Okay, very good. So what you wrote called users, after that, then response, then user array, user dot map, user index, user data equal to user data plus division open close, user data equal to user data plus h3 open close, user dot name, again user data equal to user data plus division is closed. After that, you wrote document dot in container dot inner HTML user data. Okay. Now user data where you define in the beginning. Right. Button click are you calling? On click equal to get user, get user, get user. Okay. Okay. So look at this. This is okay. This is messy. Okay. So now run once. Internet is there. Okay. Do the right click again. No, right click. Okay. Why this? You have similar condition. It should come inspect, no? Inspect. Okay. Which browser is that? Okay. Refresh one. Okay, wait, hold on. Wait. You can't run like this. You copy this URL. Copy this URL from here. Copy. Go to the Chrome now. Paste in the browser URL. Replace that URL. Here. Here. Yeah. Paste. Control V. Enter. Okay. See now it says okay, that is a different error. Go here in the users. It's coming out 10. Okay, list is not coming. List is not coming. That meaning you have some error here in contact replace once user list is giving the link. And now in your code, when you look here, okay, your file look like not saved. Control S. Okay. Now click once. I mean, it was not saved. CSS background. What is the class you call there? Class is called user. Write the CSS for user class in a style.css file. User only, then here will be the problem. Class is not coming. Go to the CSS file. Control S. See it now. It's coming. See. CSS file was not saved. Okay, so next come ahead, we have to print the next element. So we are printing only name, right? We need to print the email ID, we need to print the street, city, pin code, and many more are there. Okay. So we'll go here in the file index 2, name you have printed. After name, H3 you can copy paste and change to p tag. Change to p tag. Change to p tag. User dot email. User dot email. We need to write one more paragraph. User dot address dot city. 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 So it will print now name, email, and city. Address dot city, why we have written? You can see inside this array. Where is the city? City is inside the address. You can see here city. City is part of the address. Right? How you are printing the email, username, email, similar way. Now we have to write address dot city, address dot pin code, address dot remaining. Okay. To print the company name, we have to write company dot name. Then it will print the company name. We can go here and we can city, then zip code. Zip code. Then we can write again user dot company dot name. User dot company dot name. User dot company dot name. Check now how it is. User is printing every user, every test comment, and every user. Data come from the server. Let's go ahead next. On load, which page is loading? On load, nothing is coming. On load, we can call no. Here, on load, you can call get comment. So on load, you can call the get comment. Once the page will reload, 500 comments will come here. On load, get comment. On load, comment list appear. See, once the page will load, comment list will appear directly. So what is the meaning of API? You saw this data is not available in our system. This data is available in third-party server. Now JavaScript fetch function is helping you to bring the data from there. After bringing the data from there, again given to JavaScript, and JavaScript created the loop and all and displayed inside the page. So API word is helping. API word is for what purpose? To get the data from other server and to send the data from one server to other server. Okay, there you can do the get also, you can do the post also. So as of now, what you are doing, it is only get. We are fetching the data. We are not sending the data. Okay. So in this server, the URL we have opened. I think in that there is one URL where we can post also. This is for routes. Okay. Post/1 get post/1 get post Many things are there in this example, in this website. Okay, so let's come up. I'll give you one or two URL. Same way, you need to try. For this example, we have one called post list. You can try one post list. So which is that? Let me come back. And we can go here to the post. Okay, so you will take this URL. URL is sent in your chat. See the URL. URL it says everything will be same. Everything will be same. Instead of users, it will convert into post. P-O-S-T-S. Post. Here you can see P-O-S-T-S. Posts. Right? And in post again, there is a user ID, title, and body. So now when you come to your page, user is happening. Comment is happening here. User is also happening. Next one page is for you, that is called post list. In this post list, it will be like this only, like how you are creating this user list. It will be similar, but you can see the URL I have shared you. The URL is different. The URL is called posts, P-O-S-T-S. There you will be reading the title also you can display and the body also you can display. Here in this example you have seen, we are displaying the name, email, and then 3-4 details. But in the post case, you will display only two things. One is called title, another one is called body. Title you can keep in H4 and body you can keep in a paragraph. Okay, and then you can display here. That is one page. Next class I'll guide you how to create our own server. And after that, how to store the data and how to list the data and how to store the data. Same way. This how this server is working. This server is giving us the data. Same way we can create our own server also in our machine. That will work like the backend server where we can store the data. And again in the front end, Using JavaScript, you call the URL, it will give you that. But this one you can try. Try writing manually, will be helpful for you. Okay. post, title and body. Title and body, two things you will display. Okay, please try that. That is a small homework for you. Index 2 file I'll send you. Index 1 also I'll send you. Index 1 and index 2. Okay. Style.css also. Both is going to your chat. Then download it. Project from Saturday, Sunday. Will take some time. After 1 week. This month only, but after maybe 1 week. I'm busy in some other my homework. The project is for 3 month duration, 2 month project and 1 month interview. But people are not listening. Because of that, I am a delay. Initially, first 1 month will be, they will listen properly. Second month, once they will learn, they will start following their own. We'll ask to do something else, they will do that. They will full day, they'll watch movies, something here there. Yes, it becomes the waste of time and waste of space. We'll ask them to attend the interview in different way, they will go in different way. Okay, people